Have you ever had snow ice cream? I haven't, but my mom promises me it's safe, so let's make snow ice cream. I don't try to be a messy person when I bake and make things. I just am. I've come to the realization that I'll never be the clean girl, but I'll be more like the girl whose personality is more akin to Dory the fish. And you know what? I'm okay with that. Then I mixed together all of my ingredients to add to my giant pile of snow. I made a mess with said pile of snow. And yes, your hands do get cold when you make this. Then I forgot how many cups of snow I added, but it was okay. Then you mix, mix, mix. Then you have snow ice cream. Tastes like vanilla ice cream, but with more ice crystal things.